Today I will install the Citrix Workspace app with the help of Ansible, and of course it will be silent install on multiple VMs at the same time. First, let's take a look at some Citrix articles. So first, you need to check if the Workspace app that you want to install, if it's working with your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. So in this video I will install it on a Windows 10 machine, but the same process can be done on if you have a multi-session OS, so 2019, 2022, the process is the same. So this is a good article to read. And the second one is this one, and here we can find some helpful info on how to install this Workspace app silently, and of course we will adapt this to work with Ansible. So I'm using some information from the SCCM article. So we definitely want to install with silent, and we want to include single sign-on. One more thing that we want in a productive environment, we want to disable this self-service mode and the automatic update. I don't know if it's in this article, but nevertheless I have it configured in the command. So where am I? Second, so here. So we will install like this. So we will install the LTSR version. This is from last year, but I will install it. I will install an older version because I will also create a video on how to update also through Ansible. And we are installing it silent. We are including single sign-on, and we are disabling self-service mode, and we are also disabling auto update. Why we are disabling auto update? This is something that you should also do in a productive environment. It's the best practice is to disable it, because let's for example take let's imagine we have, I don't know, 100 VMs or 200 VMs, and they are all in the cloud or on-prem, it doesn't matter. They will start at one moment to all update at the same time. So they will start to update the Workspace app, and if they all start at the same time, you can have serious performance issues or network issues, or yeah, it can also, for example, bring your entire VM to a halt, because all the downloading and all the installing for all the VMs at one time, it will be something it will be too much for the CPUs to process all at the same time. So the best practice is to disable this. So for example, let me show you. So here it's on my machine, and here I have it installed, and the auto update is not disabled, and here I have this option, and so this website will always check for updates, and if something new shows up, it will download and install whenever it wants. So yeah, in a productive environment, we do not want this, or at least I don't recommend it. So let's start. We have what we need. We have the installer. Let's take a look at the VM. So it's clean install. I only have the VDA agent installed, and as you can see, I'm connected through Citrix, but I don't have a Workspace app. Okay, let's see the playbook. So it's a simple playbook. I have this prompt because I am using the same playbook to also upgrade the Citrix Workspace app, and this prompt just helps me when I write install. It will only execute this block of tasks, because everywhere where I stated that user decision equals to install, this will be executed. So if I type here, when it asks me, I type update, everything here will be ignored. So the first task is just to check if this folder exists, and if it exists, it should be removed, because yeah, maybe we have other installers there and we do not want to mix them up. The second task is just to copy the installer from the share to our local C drive in this location, and the last one is to execute the installer, and everything is conditioned by what we are typing at the beginning. So let's give it a try, and let's see how it goes. So we have also our hosts configured. We are working with WinRM, and we are authenticating through Kerberos. I already have a ticket, and I believe it will expire later tonight. So it will expire at tomorrow at 3 in the morning, so we can still work. So let's execute our playbook. It's called 6, then it's Ansible playbook. Again, I'm using forks. This means that it will copy and install at both servers at the same time, so it will not do them one by one. Okay, and now we need to use the Vault. Vault. Okay, looks good. Okay, and this is the question. What do I want to do? I want to do an install. Okay, so it checked the directories. It copied the files, and now it's installing. We can also check that the files are copied. I mean, we have the session, so this can be done with the users working on the machines, so it will not affect them. Here is our installer, and the install works in the background. When it's done, the only thing that the user needs to do is to search for it and start one time, because after you started for the first time after you reboot, it will always be auto running during the OS boot. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's done. No way. Do we have it? Yeah, we have it. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, let's go to AppWiz. Okay, so we have the Workspace app installed. Okay. I don't remember if what versions of Microsoft C++, maybe it updates them or not. I don't remember. But let's see. As I told you, if we go to advanced, we do not have that option to update the Workspace app. And this is a good thing because the user cannot activate it or do anything. If we install it like I showed you, everything else is can be used. Okay, so this one was installed. We can also check the second one. I don't know how to wait because it's not for. So we can check what user 2, I believe user 2 has the other VM. So okay, let's see, VM02. Okay, it started on my other screen. Okay, so this is VM. Let's see. Okay, this is VM01, and the other one that we just start should be VM02. And let's see, maybe the Workspace app also starts. Maybe it doesn't really need a reboot if we log in. Okay, let's see. House name. Okay, so this is 02. Yeah, so it started, so doesn't really need a reboot, it just needs a new login from the user. And here again, we do not have the update option. Okay, so this was basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked my video, please subscribe to also get the updates for the other video that I will record to upgrade this Workspace app from this version to the latest version possible. Okay, thank you for watching.